Hello children, today we are learn opposites word with example. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Let's start. This is a big tree. See children, this is a big tree. This is a small tree. This is a small tree. Opposites are big, small, small, big. He is a tall boy. He is a short boy. Opposite words are tall and short, short and tall. He is fat. See children, he is fat. She is thin. She is thin. Opposite word are fat, thin, thin, fat. He is young. He is young. He is old. He is old. And opposite word are young, old, old, young. This shirt is dark. This shirt is dark. That pant is light. That pant is light. Opposite words are dark, light, light, dark. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Stand on the bench. Stand on the bench. Opposite words are sit, stand, stand, sit. Climb up the stairs. Climb up the stairs. Climb down the stairs. Climb down the stairs. Opposite word are up, down, down, up. Come in. Come in. Go out. Go out. Opposite words are come, go, go, come. I hope you understand how to use a opposite word in sentence. Let's meet again. Bye bye.